we're going to look at some of the enhancements in Solid Edge ST9 regarding drafting and adding break lines to long views. So first I'm going to go and go to the Draw in View area so that you can see what I've done. I've created a little line here at a specific distance, and you'll see why I'm going to use that in a moment, just so you'll understand why that line is there. So if I right click and add break lines, what's new in ST9 is these now can be associative to your object lines, but they can also be associative to any lines that you use to draw in view. So I don't actually have a nice key point here in this model, but yet I want my break line to be kind of offset from the end of the slot a little bit. So that's why I did that. Just kind of a little extra credit, just so that you can see that you can do that. And then of course I choose hide everywhere, and we won't see that little line anymore. Though it will update if the model ever changes, your break lines will stay attached just as they were. Let's take a look at the new technical requirements control here in annotations, hidden under the text box. There's a technical requirements, and that's how this was created. So if I double click that, you'll see that it's a way that you can create a list, kind of like general notes, but you can probably use it for anything you want. Let's go and edit this first technical requirement item, and I'm going to say, type the word surface, and then I'm going to use the reference text, and you'll see how that all ties together in a second. You can refer to other objects in your drawing. So we have a datum frame up here, and I can refer to that, and the benefit is if we ever change the letter of the datum frame, it will update automatically here in my technical requirements. So we'll say OK, and I'm going to have to click update because I'm modifying this, and I might put a little space after there. And update that again and hit OK. So you see that it clearly says clean surface A thoroughly, and if I click on this surface A and change it to a B, it just magically automatically changes. So let's take it one step further with a callout command. Let's check out the properties. Again, with the technical requirements, you can refer to a particular note here. So I use my reference text button, I choose the technical requirements, and there I can just double click that and refer to note 1. So what happens now if I ever go and change my technical requirements by double clicking, if I did something like without thinking too much about it, I reorder them, or if I change the style to an A, B, or C style, that's going to automatically track that to say note B now, and it all ties together associatively, so you don't have to remember to change these things. It's just one little extra click here using the reference text. Very easy to set that up for automatic and intelligent updates in the future.